So today's job is to get this SSanyong, all this sign writing off, get it all cleaned because it's a mess, because we need to sell it. I mean, it's just so dirty. The thing is, the car's done 86,000 miles from new, one owner from new, which is my dad, but it's a bit of a mess at the moment, so we're just going to clean this up. I mean, you can see where whoever has been driving this has been sneezing all over the dashboard, all over the steering wheel, but we need to clean all of that up. All of that up. Yeah, we're going to get to all of this, take off all the sign writing. Hopefully that's not going to be too difficult. And we've got to organise all of it into those black boxes so that we can sell it. Also on my jobs is this is broken, so it's literally, there's just stuff in there. I need to get all this insecticide and chemicals out. I need to get rid of all of this sign writing. I mean, look how filthy it is. I mean, it has been a bit of a workhorse, but it's only a 19 plate, so it's not even that old. Yeah, I think we're gonna be amazed at how well this turns out, because it is filthy. So we've got all the carpet out, we've got all this in. Just to put this into perspective, this is a 19 plate car, like I've said, and we've never bothered cleaning the inside of it. So we're gonna get all this out of here. This is some rodenticide that's fell down the side and we haven't been able to get to it. But yeah, we're gonna get this all cleaned out, and hopefully you'll be able to see how much better this all looks in a while. So this is all damaged. Gonna clean up all of this. Need to try and fix all these brackets, because the guy who was using this literally didn't have any care in the world about looking after it. So we've got all that stuff out of there now. I'm gonna carry on getting, honestly, it's taking hours and hours to get all this rubbish out of here. It's so long. So much rubbish. So we've managed to get everything out. All we've got is all this junk that we need to get out the carpet. The seats are going to come up great, I think. They've literally been covered up since it was brand new. I mean, especially in the back. You can see all the layer of dust on it. I'm no car detailer, but we're going to get this looking a hell of a lot cleaner, because it is really dirty. At the end of the day, it's been used for work, and that's what these vehicles are designed for, but we're going to tidy this up because it doesn't look very good. There's so much dust in here. Wow. Wow. That's got to be a lot of skin particles, I think, to make that much dust. Wow. We're going to get the hoover on now, and then I'm going to leave it until my brother gets back so he can help me. I'm going to make a start on taking off this. It's like such a shame. End to an era. We're going to get new vans, going to get new sign writing. I mean, if anyone knows anyone around the West Midlands who can do decent sign writing, we've got a transit van that we need wrapping from front to back. Similar to this, but with a lot more graphics, with like a rat or something like that. But we've got to get all this off. It's done us well, 4 years of service, so let's get it all off. So it's all coming on, all coming off nicely. It's leaving behind some marks on there though. I've finally got all the decals off, and it's tired me out that much. I'm actually taking it to the car wash to get it sorted out, because it's too much.